Hi, boys and girls. I have another story for you today. Our story today is called Don't Push the Button. This mark right here, this line with a dot on the bottom, that's called an exclamation mark. I've showed you those before. That means that when you read it, you're supposed to be excited. Our story today is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. That means that he is the author and the illustrator. So he wrote the words and he also drew the pictures. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't! We mustn't! Psst! No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow! Push it again! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot! Push it twice! Ack! Now there's two of me! Push it a bunch of times! Uh-oh. What happened? Now there's lots of different monsters. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up. Think it worked? Oh, I still see a few. Almost. A little more? All right, let's try again, friends. Okay, there we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you liked our story today. Until next time, bye.